Hey all, this is Shubhankar here from Quantsapp. Today we are going to understand the index contributor tool in Quantsapp. So index contributor is showing us the contribution made by various scripts towards an index. So I can select Nifty or Bank Nifty. Also I can see the future price of Nifty. I can see the change. So Nifty's price has increased by 242.05 points today. I can see the change in percentage format as well. So it has gained by 1.66%. So the scripts which are highlighted in green boxes, it is indicating you that they are contributing positively towards Nifty. The scripts in red color, they are contributing negatively towards an index. HDFC has been highest contributor towards the index positively. It has contributed 29.8581 points today. If I click on it, I'll directly get to see how much contribution HDFC has made towards index, which is 29.81 points. Its price, it's 2619.7. I can see the change in points, so it has increased by 68.55 points today, and the percentage change, so it has gone up by 2.69% today, which is followed by HDFC Bank, Kotak Bank and ICICI Bank. So the negative contributors, they would be highlighted in red color boxes. As we can see, Bharti Airtel, it has been contributing negatively towards the index by 24.2 points. I click on it, I'll directly get to see. Also, we can see the sector wise contribution made towards an index. So I'll click on the sector button. I'll get to see the bars which are indicating which sector has been contributing how much towards an index. So if I click on any one of it, I'll directly get to see the data. So IT has been contributing 38.22 points positively towards index today. Similarly, telecom sector has dragging index down by 24.2 points today. Elsewhere, if I want to see a look back data, so if I want to see which script has been contributing highest towards the index since 1st of February, so I can do that as well, wherein Reliance has been the highest contributor since 1st of February, which is by 290.46, whereas TCS has been the highest contributor on the negative side. It has contributed negatively towards the index by 54.76 points. Also, I can look the same data for Bank Nifty as well. So thank you for watching the video up till here. We post similar sort of content regularly on YouTube, so you can just hit the subscribe button, and to get notified whenever we post something, just hit the bell icon. Also, you can refer Quantsapp to one of your friends. In that case, you will get 100 rupees reward points and your friend earns 500 rupees reward points in Quantsapp, which can be used in further purchases made in Quantsapp application. Thank you.